I almost didn't pick up this call. Unknown number. No caller ID. But something told me, answer it. And what happened next? Wasn't just a scam attempt, it was a full playbook, designed to trick you in minutes. I decided to stay on the call, not to engage, but to observe. Because if you understand how scammers talk, how they think, and how they guide conversations, you can spot them before they take anything from you. They started calmly. Professional. Almost too smooth. Hello, we're calling from your bank. There's been suspicious activity on your account. No shouting. No pressure at first. Just a concern. That's the first trick. They don't start by scaring you, they start by gaining your trust. Tactic 1, building trust. They mentioned my name. They referenced a recent transaction. It sounded specific. But here's what most people don't realize. A lot of that information is either guessed, or pulled from previous data leaks. It doesn't mean they're legitimate. It means they're prepared. Tactic 2, creating urgency. Then the tone changed. We need you to act now. Your account may be compromised. If we don't secure it immediately, you could lose funds. That's where the pressure kicks in. Because once you feel urgency, you stop thinking clearly. Tactic 3, the ask. And then came the real objective. They asked me to verify my details. Not everything at once. Just small pieces. Confirm your email. Read the code sent to your phone. Verify the last digits of your card. Step by step, they were building access. Let's pause here. Because this is where most people lose control. That verification code. It's not for security. It's the key to your account. The moment you share it, you're handing over access. What they were trying to do. They weren't trying to help me. They were trying to reset my password. Bypass security checks. And take control of my account. All while sounding helpful. Key insight. Scammers don't hack you with code. They hack you with conversation. They guide you, step by step, until you unknowingly give them everything. So instead of continuing, I stopped. No arguing, no explaining. I simply hung up. Because once you recognize the pattern, the best move is to disengage. What you should do. If you ever get a call like this, don't trust the caller ID. Don't share codes or sensitive details. Hang up, and call your bank directly using official numbers. That one decision can save you from serious damage. Reality check. Here's the truth. That call didn't sound like a scam. It sounded like help. And that's why it works. You don't need to be careless to get scammed. You just need one moment of trust in the wrong place. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone, it could protect them. And follow this channel for simple, real-world breakdowns of how scams actually work, and how to stay ahead of them.